What's up guys, Arsentech here, and this is my official voice reveal. This is my voice, I hope you liked it. If you dislike my voice, I will respect your opinion. I am excited to announce that I now have a Patreon page to support my channel. Since the YouTube Partner Program isn't available in my country, Patreon is an excellent way to support my channel and continue creating high quality tech content. You can join it as a member of one of those tiers. You will unlock member shoutout in my videos, early access to my latest upcoming videos, access to source codes for complex projects in my coding tutorials, chance to collaborate with Arsentech, and much more perks. Your support in my Patreon page means a lot to me. Head over to patreon.com/arsentech to join and become part of this journey. A large batch of videos is coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so don't miss my new videos every time I upload. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video.